In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Amazon affiliate products to your Shopify store the right way so you can earn referral commissions while giving visitors a smooth buying experience. This simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know, even if you're completely new to Amazon Associates or Shopify. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon Associates website, then sign into your Associates dashboard. Once you're logged in, browse Amazon like normal and open any product page you want to promote. When you're there, look for the site stripe bar at the top of the page. Next, click on the link option to generate your affiliate URL. You'll see several options that help you create a trackable link, so make sure your associate tag is included before copying it. Once you've completed these steps, open a new tab and go to your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, look for the option labeled Shopify App Store and search for an app that supports importing Amazon affiliate products. Next, click on an Amazon importer or buy button app that fits your needs. You'll see several options that help you pull in product details, images, and links directly from Amazon. Install the app and follow the setup instructions, including adding your Amazon affiliate tag if required. After that, use the app to import your chosen Amazon product by pasting the product URL. Open the imported product inside Shopify and customize the title, description, and images to match your store's style and improve SEO. Once everything looks good, make sure the buy button links to Amazon using your affiliate link. After that, you should be able to send customers directly to Amazon and earn commissions without any interruptions. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add Amazon affiliate products to Shopify easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?